start off this assignment to just kind of continue getting a little bit more familiar and comfortable with the basic tools in Clo. So the first thing you're going to need to do is open up a female avatar. Do you think you would know how to do that without me telling you? Hopefully you know it's actually on the library. So we're going to go down and look for avatar. So I'm going to go ahead and click it. I'm going to double click it. Click, click. I don't have any blue buttons up here, so that's good. And then we're going to use the female one for this. So I'm going to double click that. And I guess I'll just use Emma. I don't think it matters too much. And then, today we're not going to worry about the size. I gave you a file that you'll download that should just fit the default size. But in the future, if that was something you were concerned about, you would double click the size and you can choose from these different size categories: Missy, petite, maternity, straight, plus size, female, tall, lots of choices, right? And then actually choose a size file. But we're just going to use the default one for today because, again, we're just trying to get up and running. The next thing you're going to want to do is download the sample file from Canvas.